Yeah, morning one, right. So data science, full stack data science, right? Total data science and artificial intelligence. Okay. So morning one. So myself, I'm Vijay. Like I hold 20 plus years of experience in different technologies, right? So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's clear.
fine. Thank you. Fine. So it is full stack data science. Full stack data science, right? Yes. So we will be discussing everything and artificial intelligence, advanced AI. So with generative AI, agentic AI, right? Yes. So, yeah. Starting with this, everything deals with the data here. Everything deals with the data. Total world is flooded with user data. Total world is flooded with user data. Here, data has got experience. Data has got future reference. Using data has got experience. Data has got future reference. Using this data or this data science, we perform data analysis, data predictions, data classifications, data clustering, data recommendations, right? So here data science combines, I can say, data science combines. So if I can say maths and statistics, maths and statistics, maths, I can say statistics, I can say programming, advanced analytics, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, AI, and ML. AI and ML for extracting insights, for extracting insights hidden in a organizations data, hidden in organizations data, right? Yes. So in a shorter version, right? In a shorter version, data science, understand here, data science is the art of turning data into actions, data into actions. Okay, I can say if data, for example, if data, for example, I'm saying that you are extracting insights hidden in an organization's data. Data is like oil, and data science is like refined oil. So you are going to, from the raw data, extracting the information or extracting the insights hidden in it. That is like a refined oil. Right? Data science focus on value. They focus on value, not on volume. So I can say data science is a field that evolving at a rapid speed. It's a field that is evolving at a rapid speed. So yes, data science is emerged. I can say this data science emerged from statistics and data mining. So here you can say like data science is all about, I can say it's all about using the tools, techniques, and the creativity to uncover the hidden insights within the data. So already said it combines this maths, computer science, domain expertise to tackle the real world challenges, in a varieties of fields. So data science, if I say data science, it is going to process the raw data and solve the business problems and even make some kind of predictions about the future trends or the requirements. For example, a huge raw data in a company, data science can help answering data science will help in answering the various queries, right? Like what does the customer want, how we can improve our services, what will be the upcoming trends in the sales, and like even like what must how much stock required for a particular event. So all this you can extract from this raw data, right? Yes. Now, apart from this data science, right? If we talk about this AI, artificial intelligence. So it is like developing systems. I can say developing systems that can perform tasks that require human intelligence. So developing systems that require tasks that require human intelligence, like such as learning like a human, learning like and like problem solving, and it's like also like and also decision making, decision making. So here, in a simple way, I'll just not entering into the technicals as of now. So just what is in that, again there is a subcategory like generative AI. A simple way, a subset of AI, a subset of AI. So generate in a simple way, like how to just creates new content, just in a simple way, creates new content like text or images by learning patterns from the data, learning patterns from the data. We talk about agentic AI, agentic AI or AI agents, right? Or AI agents. It focuses on, generally you can say focuses on making a decisions, making a decisions and executing multi-step actions to achieve the goals. Focuses on making decisions and executing multi-step actions to achieve the goals. In a simple way, right? In a simple way, generative AI is about creation Agentic AI is about action and decision making, is about action, decision making for achieving a particular objective or an for achieving a particular objective, right? Yes. Generative AI, agentic AI. Subset of AI creates new content like text or images by learning patterns from the data. Focus and this agentic AI focuses on decision making, making decisions and executing multi-step actions to achieve the goals. Generative AI, how it works? Generative AI, like just in a simple way, it learns patterns. It learns generative AI learns the patterns and structures from the various data sets and use its knowledge to generate a new outputs, a new content, a new outputs, like it can be a text, it can be images, or it can be a music or code. Generative AI, for example, ChatGPT for text, DAL-E for images, and various other tools for this code generations, right? So here the purpose of this generative AI, like content creations, like and enhancing the creativity. Agentic AI, I said, right, focuses on decision making, the executing multi-steps actions to achieve the goals. It is a combination of tools. It can be a combination of tools, knowledge to perform various tasks, like examples like robotic systems, self-driving cars. Okay, fine. And if I talk, what is that? Okay, I'll just give that course overview. What I'll be discussing. What are the things will be discussed? Starting with the first, we'll be starting with the language that will be used for implementing this data science, AIML, all this, like the Python. Just a small introduction to this Python. It's mostly preferred, mostly used programming language. And here data analysis using NumPy and Pandas, numerical Python and Pandas. And like here will be data analysis using NumPy and Pandas. You'll be working with NumPy arrays, 2D, 3D dimensional arrays, right? Mathematical operations, T-shaping, flattening, horizontal and vertical stack, line spacing, and working with the iterations, transpose, array manipulations, and also like Pandas data frames, creating data frames from various file objects, and also like performing some kind of grouping segregations using this Pandas. And apart from this, like the data visualization using Matplotlib, and also like statistics for data science. Statistics for data science. So the statistics helps data scientists, statistics for data science, right? The statistics helps data scientists understand the data variability, the type testing the hypothesis and summarizing the complex data sets. So here within this statistics, right, the types of statistics, descriptive, inferential, central tendency measurements, right, measures the mean, mode, median, the story of average, data distributions, correlation analysis, continuous variables, categorical variables, dispersion techniques, sampling techniques. Next, ML, machine learning techniques. Machine learning techniques. Machine learning techniques and implementing different like regression, classifications, clusterings, and like supporting various clustering techniques like partition methods, k-means, hierarchical clustering, recommendations. Next, deep learning techniques. Deep learning techniques like ANN, CNN, CNN, artificial neural networks, convolution neural networks, right? Convolution neural networks. Next, like time series analysis, MLOps, MLOps like machine learning operations, set of practices that combines machine learning development and operational DevOps to automate and streamline the entire ML lifecycle, right? And also in this, I'll also be discussing about big data, PySpark, and will be discussed here. See this. NLP and text mining. NLP and text mining. Natural language processing. It allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language, bridging the gap between the people and the technology. Here we use NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. It is a suite of libraries and programs, right? And next, so one second, deep learning techniques, I said, TensorFlow. So it is a TensorFlow, it's a free open source software library. Learning, that is for machine learning and for deep learning, it is developed by Google. It provides a set of tools, APIs, and libraries to help the developers building, train, and deploy the machine learning models efficiently across different platforms. Say like Boltzmann machine. Sorry. It's a type of neural network that uses some kind of approach to model data distributions, unsupervised learning model with visible inputs and the hidden or nodes, right? Yes. And also like autoencoder. It's a type of unsupervised deep learning neural networks to compress the data into lower dimensions. And like GAN. So we'll be discussing in brief about the deep learning techniques which are used for this AI. So GAN. What is this? Generative adversarial network, right? In deep learning, right? Is a powerful model architecture, right? See also like some kind of emotions and gender detections, how it works, emotion like a detection architecture, RNN, GRU. A recurrent neural network, this recurrent neural network, and also like a gated recurrent unit. So this is a type of neural network. Significantly, it is designed for processing some kind of data, sequential data. So LSTM, LSTM, right? This is a long short-term memory, specialized type of recurrent neural network RNN only. It's a, in deep learning. to process this data, selectively remembering or forgetting the information over some period of time. OpenCV. So it is also it's a deep learning. It plays a vital role in deep learning. With the, so we can say like OpenCV, open source computer vision library, right? So it has got a powerful toolkit for handling the images and video data, right? To process, to just work with this deep learning model process. Generative AI. Yes, generative AI, right? Yes. Creating a new content or text like images from learning from the data, right? So like prompt engineering. Prompt engineering, designing and optimizing prompts for AI models, especially for large language models for getting the desired outputs. Also like advanced prompting techniques. So mostly like working with LLM APIs, right? OpenAI, Gemini, Mistral API, right? In this way, different other things. RAG systems. Retrieval augmented generation systems and an AI framework that enhances large language models by combining right with external sources like IRS information retrieval systems and also like vector databases. And embeddings, right? Vector storing some kind of unstructured data such as text, images, and audio as high dimensional numerical representations called vector embeddings. LLM ops, right? Yes. Large language model operations, specialized set of practices and tools designed to manage the entire life cycle of LLMs, right? In production environment. So both this MLOps and LLM ops, right, focuses on the unique characteristics of LLMs. Next, like agentic AI. Agentic AI, right? System designed to make decisions, I said, taking anonymous decisions or autonomous decision actions to achieve a specific goal, right? Some advanced topics in AI. Transformers, right? And even like generative AI, right? And building some kind of LLM applications, developing this RAG systems, I said, right? Working with a long chain, right? And LCL topics, building AI agents. So if you can go through the syllabus, you'll get the total clarity here. And also I'll be discussing on this machine learning on like on the cloud environment, like Cloud ML, AWS, SageMaker, Google Cloud AI, Azure ML, right? In this way, serverless ML, model deployment, right? Yes. Okay, you can check with this course content once, right? So full stack data science with artificial intelligence, like data science introduction, Python for data science, NumPy, Python for data analysis, Pandas for data analysis, Matplotlib for data visualizations, statistical methods for data science, types of statistics, and many other things like machine learning, different machine learning techniques and their implementations, time series analysis and forecasting, MLOps fundamentals, big data, PySpark, NLP and text mining, extracting, cleaning, and pre-processing text like stemming, lemmatizations, deep learning, TensorFlow, convolution neural network, Boltzmann machine and autoencoder, GAN, emotions and gender detection, introduction to RNN and GRU, LSTM, long short-term memory, OpenCV, generative AI, prompt. See some topics, model number 20 to 40 it deals with generative AI and agentic AI. Model number 20 to 40 it will be from generative AI and agentic AI. So like prompt engineering, advanced prompting techniques, COT, TOT, change of thought, like tree of thought, like working with LLM APIs, building LLM apps with long chain and this, developing RAG systems, vector databases and embeddings, building end-to-end Gen AI applications, evaluating Gen AI applications, enterprise use cases, LLM ops and evaluation, right? Agentic AI, working with long chain, right? Building AI agents with long graph topics, implementing agentic RAG, developing AI agents with free data, multi-agent systems with long graph, advanced agent development with AutoGen, and building AI agents with the no low code tools, right? Yes. So you can see a lot of things, lot of technical words involved in this, right? Technical topics that you feel something new to all these things, right? So everything, the prerequisites, everything will be covered as part of this, starting with this data science, machine learning, deep learning techniques, generative AI, agentic AI, right? Everything. So coming, yes. Offerings from my side, you will be getting each and every session recording, right? Live session video. Even if you miss any session, you'll be getting the video of it that day itself. You can just go through the video and attend the next session for the better understandings. And soft copy, clear soft copy of these notes. Soft copy of notes. Assignments and tasks to work. A WhatsApp group where you can have direct interaction with me. Right. Okay. Interactive hands-on sessions. Even if you want to do the things parallel along with me, you can do it parallelly along with me, right? Interview questions. Around 200 interview questions, right? Yes. 3 projects. Fine. Plus, apart from this, from DurgaSoft side, they are going to offer you with like Python videos. So even if you want to have full command on this Python videos, like 100 videos, like 100 plus videos of Python will be given, where you can go through and have command. If you've got any queries, you can ask. MySQL videos, around 35 videos. See, this is the free access. Around 7,000 rupees access will be given to the students if you once you get enrolled to this course. This is from the DurgaSoft side. And also like Linux, Unix shell scripting videos of Mr. Durga, right? Around 120 videos. So these 3 things, these 3 video access also will be provided freely for the students whenever you get enrolled for this course. That is offerings from my side and from DurgaSoft side. So these are the things once you enroll, you'll get access to all this. And these are offerings from my side. Timings, same. There is no change in the timings. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. But initially it will be for 1 hour, but later it will be for 1.5 hours. We'll be extending it once we enter into ML machine learning topics, right? So in brief, we can check this course content with any other training sets that we'll be discussing in brief about each and every topic. So the duration of it, like duration is like 5 months. In that 5 months, right? 2 months for this data science, 2 months for data science, and 3 months for AI. So like explicitly for 3 months, I'm sparing for this AI, generative AI, agentic AI. So in other training sites, if you talk about the other trainers, other training sites, they say 3 months of course, which includes, again, they'll say in that Python is included, again, machine learning, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, all they'll include. And finally, once they comes to the AI, they'll spend like, not like explicitly we are spending 3 hours for this AI, 2 months for this. It's a totally 5 months course. Okay. Fine. So this is what the course content. What is the course coverage? Just I was briefing you about this data science, AI, generative, agentic AI, just overview about it. And what are the course overview? What are the topics I'll be discussing, and what are the offerings from my side? So each and everything, the prerequisites also will be covered. I said nothing, there is no prerequisites, but Python basics, basic Python and like basics of SQL are required. That is the prerequisites for this. So just is an introductory session. So if you got any queries, you can just go with your queries. If you got any queries, right? Anyone? So tomorrow also everyone can attend the session, same timing at 8 o'clock using the same link to see more discussion on this, right? To see more discussion, right? Any queries you got, anyone?
Yeah, hi, Vijay.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Vijay, this is Avinash. So I have around 15 years plus experience. So currently working as a solution architect for a telco provider. So just wanted to know, like, will this course, like the full stack course, will help me, like, help experience professional, uh, like, I mean, it's purely from a development angle, or like it will like cover like holistic project, which can help me, like,
Total, you will be get the total practical exposure, right? A typical three
yeah.
plus 4 plus years of experience, how much knowledge, that much knowledge you are going to gain. That's why we are spending enough time, like 5 months of time we are spending for these things, right? So for that AI, right, what all the prerequisites, everything, like everything will be discussed. I said, a 4 plus years of experience guy, how much knowledge he has means in this, will be getting the same knowledge here. Total everything
Okay.
you'll be getting about this data science and this AI. That too, I'm saying advanced AI things, you won't see this kind of topics in other training sets. It will be somewhere like advanced topics we'll be discussing in AI, that to generative AI and agentic AI, right? So which has got a great
Okay.
boom in the today's industry, right? Previously, like very less people know about this
Yeah.
generative AI and agentic AI. Fine.
Yeah.
So everything will be discussed in thing, point to point will be discussing and understand much better. So go to the any interview process also, just you can go through that process, right? Only thing is regularity to the sessions and spending some time for the practical part everyone, and asking queries during the sessions, interacting during the sessions, working with the practical part, everything will fetch you a lot. And that too, I said interview based questions, everything I'll be helping you out.
And the three projects that you mentioned, is it like complete end-to-end live projects we will be doing?
Yes.
Okay. And one more question, sir.
Sir,
Like,
Yeah, tell me.
so yeah, one more question. Like, you mentioned about like we'll be using the LLM. So is it like mostly we'll be using OpenAI or Gemini? Like what we'll be using here?
Gemini.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
yeah, this is Sudhakar. Sir, sir, I already attended your Python course sometime back. I completed maybe 6 months before.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
sir, this for this course, do we need some background of any of the cloud, AWS or Azure? And what are the tools we're going to use? Purely tools on open source installed on local machines or
Yes,
cloud
yes.
based tools?
No need of any prerequisites of those things. Just I'll be briefing you about how we can work on this cloud environment also. So no need that you need to have any cloud technologies, right? No, I'll be showing you, right?
Okay.
And okay, 1 second, right? Even if you see the increased demand in data science, if you see currently in the industry, right, the most in demand courses like data engineering and data science courses are in demand. Most promising courses which have got in demand career paths. If you see from the last 1 2 years, you can see large demand for this. Even if you are given massive amount of data rapidly increasing right in the industry, right? Demand for data scientists is expected to grow further by 45% by 2026. Today's data science is not limited only for analyzing the data, and also understanding the past trends. Right? Data science can solve the real world problems, train advanced systems. So I said it is high in demand today. And also, like according to the pay scales, what data scientists have got the highest salary packages, the two highest paying jobs currently, right? Data science and data engineering jobs have got, right? Okay. Even companies, they're hiring data scientists and AI engineers at a great salary packages, offering high paying jobs to these people, right? Yes. Okay. Even you have got a lot of career opportunities if you guys to go with this course, right? Like as a data scientist, like machine learning, ML engineer, you can go as a AI engineer, you can go as a Gen AI engineer, you can go. Even so, if you add some more other things, right, you can also go as a data analyst. You need to add some more like Power BI and Excel. You can add. You can go for data analyst. Right. So many career opportunities are there once you go with this course, right? Fine. So more discussions on this also tomorrow. Same link you can follow. Same timing at 8 o'clock. We'll discuss more. Right. It's just introductory session today. Tomorrow we'll go in brief. Right. Yes. Fine. Any other queries, right? Anyone? Okay, fine. So I'm stopping for now. We'll continue tomorrow. More discussion, right? Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow. Bye.
Right.